What do we got here, Paddy?
Brekkie, mate. There's a lovely little bacon eggs before you go out, bud.
Well, where are you? What's so special about this spot?
This spot? Oh, look at this.
Holy shit.
You know what I mean? Like, you wake up, you got the twin skin, back start glowing in the sun.
Don't get much better.
Don't get fucking much better, mate.
6:45 in the morning.
Early rises, eh?
On a Monday, one boat out.
Doing a good job here, mate.
Try my best, mate, eh? And, yeah, this is where we have our brekkie when we come to town. Right, mate? Look like more than that in the morning, tell you.
Right, our first day of fishing today. So we're just gonna have some breakfast and yeah, head out into this.
Slippery old cut of a rat.
That's a whole new baby. What's the name here?
What do you got there, Paddy?
Oh, Whitey, mate.
Not a big dog.
Fuck this, I'm going that side.
Here goes the skip, right? As soon as you get some fish, he's like, do you mind if I grab your spot?
Where's all the fish?
Fuck no, mate. You tell me. You're the skip.
Well, I've caught a few.
I've got a couple.
You guys.
I've got a double header, mate. Ronnie Mac.
Still early. Yeah, 8:30. Next hour should be on thick and fast. Done himself a real mischief.
That's gone inside.
Sea fog coming in. Blue skies to getting fog.
That's real fishy, too. That might be the
11:28 and sea fog.
That might be the Mambo's fucking arsehole, so we can smell. Hey, you know what I mean? Like, it's real, sounds real fishy.
Alright, we're just trying to clean up on the last 9 fish. How many fish?
9 fish, mate. Yeah, 9 fish.
21 so far. Well, I've caught 21. Yeah, these guys have been slacking off a bit.
That's
but,
bullshit, eh? He lies all the time.
Can't really see much now, it's just a slurry, but we'll show you later on. Yeah, it's hard work at the moment.
It's too nice a day, man. That's all it is.
Very
it's
quiet.
too nice a day.
Got some good footage on the underwater GoPro down the bottom and big schools of whiting floating about, but yeah man, they are not feeding real properly. Alright, we've done alright so far. We've got a few fish here, mate.
Yeah,
Show
mate.
what's in the fish bucket there, mate.
Yeah, mate, we've got ourselves a nice little bit of fish in here. It's actually, yeah, not bad. They're a bit slow at the minute, but they're there.
So what are we doing here? What's the idea?
Save us a job. Yeah, we're gonna go outside. We get no weight inside.
Oh yeah, oops, sorry.
Give us no fucking ass.
Tides in, eh?
Yeah.
So it's Fanny Banks there. Right there. Alright, what do we got here?
Well, mate, we've got our little daily catch.
What was today, our first day?
First day of the holiday. And we got our 30 whiting, which, you know, they're not the biggest, but they're on size. They're definitely oversized. And we've got 13 little squid on the way back in, mate.
Good there, mate. This one looks a bit different from the others.
Yeah, do you know what that one's called?
What is it, mate?
It's called arrow squid.
Oh,
See? Looks like a bloody arrow, mate.
Yes.
Yeah. Still good bait. This is all just going to be bait because we're a bit low on the bait at the minute. So, but yeah, we've had these in the scaling bag. We've had them in nice ice slurry, and yeah, you can see when you put them in the scaling bag, it gets rid of all the slime. So much easier to deal with. But
Oh, they were in there a bit long.
a bit long, I reckon. Yeah, I think we're going to drop. We did 10 minutes.
Yeah.
I think we dropped back to 8 minutes.
We used to doing half that amount.
Yeah, I know. That's right. We don't normally do 30.
They take longer when you got less fish in there to scale.
So let's go. Next time we get out, we'll go to
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Check. We'll go from there.
That's good.
But yeah, we'll start lining.
All right, mate. What's the deal?
Well, the deal is we've got a bag of whiting.
Okay, so this
Squid.
is 30 laid out.
That's 30, as you can
All
see.
through the scaling bag. Done.
Yeah,
So
done.
we're going to clean this squid up
Clean the squid for bait.
for bait. They're going to be our bait, and hopefully we can convert those squid into
Get more of these
whiting
little ones.
catches. And we have one good holiday, one good little season, and the fish should last us 12 months, hopefully.
Yeah.
So, yeah, only take what you need really at the end of the day.
That's
But,
it. We'll take now,
yeah.
stock up the freezers, and
That's
that's it.
right.
And then we'll do more release. Yeah.
catch and release for the rest of the year.
Yeah, man.
Production line. You found the light for out here? Oh yeah.
Yeah, man. It's killer too. It's actually really good. Oh, yeah, and it's also got the clock here, so you can keep an eye on your filling.
Get yourself a bit of dirty old flap there,
Yeah,
mate.
I've got some rotten old flat, mate.
Nev's out here. Can the boat squirt down?
Should we
It was.
let rip?
Alrighty. How's this? Look at this. We're making some bait here.
Yeah, mate.
Cut the candles off.
Always take the candle. That's the best one.
We clean them. As good for bait as if we're going to eat them, except we're not doing them.
Fish eat them.
2 packs of squid heads. They're going to be full baits down at Marion Bay for some Managai, hopefully.
So nothing gets wasted on a squid, eh?
That's it. We don't waste any of it. Just
feed it back out again.
and what we do with the ink is we refill our pens up at home.
Yeah. Kimbo makes pasta.
Yeah, and we waste none of it. So yeah, we ink our pens. We're just still looking for the red.
And my printer.
Looking for the red ink. So
Yeah.
if you guys know where any red ink is, let me know.
Because I got
Some
mistakes.
comments. And yeah.
You know one thing we didn't get today, Scotty?
Well, so what?
One thing we didn't catch today is a vegan fish. Weedy whiting. Normally you get heaps of weedy whitings out there.
Yeah.
I got a weedy.
Did you get a weedy? You got a vegan
He
fish,
did,
did you?
big brown one.
Dirty old fucking vegan fish. Is it?
Alrighty, look at that. That's a fair old chunk of bloody squid in there for bait. That's good. That's gonna last us for bloody days. We actually might be able to take some squid home and eat it if we don't use all that. We may even be able to take that squid home and next squid we catch to eat if there's a lot of bait there.
What do you mean next squid we can do?
Maybe, I don't know, to take home to eat.
Yeah.
Well, you actually have to catch some squid first, mate.
The biggest one. The biggest one.
So take your biggest one and buck off home there.
Alright, we're still going hard. Filleting session's still going.
Kimbo's working off his tits.
Smashing them out.
Got
Got some whiting heads there. We've got a lot of packs of D yet.
Get out of here.
Lots of fillets so far. So yeah, we got bait, fish to eat. Got the fire going. So good times. Alrighty, day 2. Not sure. What's the time here? 6:45. See how we go. See how we go today, eh? Almost perfect conditions once again. The weather will be picking up this afternoon. Lunchtime it's supposed to blow out, so if we get out now and come home with it, it won't be so bad. Little bit choppier today, but hopefully we get some whiting. On our way out to the King George spot. Beautiful rainbow this morning. Haven't seen one this good in a while. All right, we're doing a quick count here. Doing a quick count.
16, 17, 18.
Old pea shooter's turned it on again today. 10 o'clock, dead on. 10 o'clock, and I reckon we're done. Done for a day. We might go try for some squid.
You're fucking well, mate.
Scaling bag's done its job.
Yeah, man. That's clean as
That was
well.
only 5 minutes.
That's perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah, George, it's all done. Perfect, mate, eh? Yeah, fucking look at that, still got this nice colour. Yeah, perfect, eh? Right, Kimbo, we'll freshen that up. Get ready with the scoop with it, Kimbo.
Always take care of your catch the best you can.
what I've
Always
always
get
got.
them on ice, salt water. Never let your fish touch fresh water, even after you've filleted them. Always wash them in salt water. Keeps that flavour in there. Otherwise you're washing all that good flavour out. Well, anyway, for us that's key. And look after your bait as well. Fresh bait is everything.
Yeah, eyes are up, Kimby, mate. These are the bottom ones, yeah. Perfect, man. I hate to see any more. We'll start taking a skip like, come out of them. There's the Kimbo.
Nice big
Yeah,
froth.
one more for good luck, man. It's not going to hurt them. They love it. Yeah. I'll do one more, Kimbo, because it's a belly scoop.
Flake ice from the fish factory, or flake ice if you can get it anywhere. The best you can use, seriously. And it's cheap, cheaper than the shit you buy from the service stations. So
$10 for 20 kilos or something, isn't it?
yeah, $10 for 20 kilos at the fish factory. Alrighty, what's the time? 11:21. We got back in just in the nick of time. The weather's turned absolutely foul. We knew it was going to, but other side of that oyster lease, we can see the white caps rolling in. But, all back on the boat, got our fish. Gonna go back, clean the boat, get ready for Marion Bay tomorrow. Off to Marion Bay. So what happened today, mate? What's this? What happened?
Another bag of Georgies, mate. It's a lot better today. We're up in the high 30s today, which is good. A lot bigger size today.
Second day, day number 2.
Bag number 2.
Can't believe I caught 20 of these.
Good on you.
Yeah, 2 of them.
So if we take these off, right?
That's right, that's what we caught.
Yes, Kimbo's gone.
Kimbo's in there.
Kimbo's are in there. And the rest are...
That's what happened, mate. That's what happened.
It's tough when they keep pinching your spot.
So yeah, day 2. Yeah, we've done really well so far. So you couldn't wish for, yeah, better start actually. So off to Marion Bay tomorrow, as long as the wind drops out. It's been pretty windy today. It's been a shit of a day actually, but yeah, we're gonna have to see what the weather's like in the morning. Get up at 4 o'clock and yeah, head straight down to Marion Bay. Hour away from here, so yeah, fingers crossed the weather's good. Get some nanny guy, some blue morwong and a few bucket list items would be great.